na Itbulaga na naman si Soto. Ito si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kinumpronta na ay yung bagong Senate President nila. Naku, kung ano yung ginagawa. May post pa itong si Itbulaga. Si Soto pala. At ayun, kinumpronta ni Senator Bato de la Rosa at nagsalita na rin yung ibang senador dyan. Dapat na bang palitan yan? Dapat naman. Kasi iba na yung dating ngayon. Mukhang nagkagulo-gulo na sa Senado. Hindi na nagkaintindihan mula nung naging Senate President yan. O ito, ang video.
De la Rosa is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, since nabanggit mo na lang na yung pagpangalaga sa lahat ng miyembro ng Senado ay isang tungkulin ng Senate President. I just would like to bring to the attention of the Senate President. I came across with the news na when the Senate President was asked by a certain Christian Esguerra regarding the minority taking up the question about the custody of Bryce Hernandez. Ito po ang sagot ng ating Senate President, which I find it very, very, very sad because being the Senate President, we hope that you are going to take care of not only the majority, because you are not the majority leader, you are the Senate President, and we hope that the majority and the minority will be taken care of by the leadership of the Senate. And if I quote your answer, Mr. President, gimmick yan ng minority. Hindi ba nila naiisip na baka si Martin Romualdez ang tuta ko? Makabintang sila porque pinagbigyan ko yung TRICOM, tuta na ako. May ginawa ba akong illegal? Yung request ng House of Representatives, illegal? Hindi. Ang gusto ninyo, awayin ko yung House of Representatives on day one. Mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. So, malungkot lang ko ito, dalawang punto, Mr. President. Unang-una, yung mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. Kami, Mr. President, hindi mo po kami mapatay sa sama ng loob dahil hindi na po masama ang loob namin dahil tanggap na namin na kami ay minority. Ang kinasama lang ng loob namin is bakit kailangan pang patayin kami sa sama ng loob? Hindi na po masama ang loob namin. Tanggap na namin na kami minority. At pangalawang punto, Mr. President, gimmick lang ng minority yan. Ang Senado po, hindi po ito noon time TV show na puro gimmick ang ating titikap dito. Kami po ay nag-raise dito ng legitimate issues which requires legitimate attention. So, Mr. President, ako po ay nalulungkot, which brings me to my parliamentary inquiry, Mr. President, na yung si Bryce Hernandez, yung kanyang custody was transferred, physical custody, I'm talking about physical custody, was transferred from the Pasay City Police Station to the Senate Sergeant at Arms room. Through yung from correction, from Camp Crame to Pasay, it was done through plenary action. Now, lately we heard that he was again transferred from Pasay to the Senate without plenary action. This is my parliamentary inquiry. Kung is a parliamentary action can be subverted by an action which is not a parliamentary action. Yun lang tanong ko, matter of procedure lang, Mr. President. Dahil kung ganun, kailangan klaruhin natin yung ating rules. Thank you, Mr. President.
Before I recognize the majority leader to place on record the recommitment of Mr. Hernandez, when I said mamatay sila na sama ng loob, we were addressing the trolls. Because it was the trolls who were saying something to that effect. Na misunderstood nila completely. No? I'm not supposed to do this. I'm not supposed to answer you here in the rostrum, but I cannot help but do that because you took the floor and parang sinisita mo yung Senate President, which is very unparliamentary. But nevertheless, I will answer you. Like, for example, yung sinasabi nila na sumunod daw ako kay Martin Romualdez. Just because I mentioned that Martin Romualdez called me, does not mean that ako'y sumunod sa kanya. The request was coming from the House of Representatives. And the request was to retain Hernandez in the Congress. At doon ako hindi pumayag. Is that being tuta? So you cannot help but also think na sasama ang loob ko pag binabibintangan ako ng salita. Hindi po ba? So ayun, anyway, mabuti rin masagot natin yan. At sinasabi ko sa kanila, yung mga trolls, yung mga sinasagot namin. Ngayon, to answer the issue of Mr. Hernandez, the majority leader may read the recommendation or the recommitment of Mr. Hernandez. to the Senate custody.
The Deputy Minority Floor Leader, Senator Joel Villanueva.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you to our Majority Leader. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I have been listening attentively to the statements, comments, ideas, arguments being raised in this August chamber. But I think the very first question that was raised when we opened the session is when Senator Bato de la Rosa asked as to whether or not plenary action can be superseded, Mr. President, by any action of the committee or even the Senate President. Mr. President, let me put on record my disagreement, Mr. President, with the decision that was made when Senator Jinggoy Estrada made a motion here in this August chamber, which was carried upon by the members of the Senate. So it was no longer just Senator Jinggoy or the members of the minority. It is the entire Senate who made that decision. And we wanted to put on record, Mr. President, why we supported that motion of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Mr. President, last Tuesday, when this guy, the Assistant District Engineer from DPWH, mentioned the name of this representation and that of Senator Jinggoy, he immediately stated that he is scared of the Senate. He is scared of the Senate because he mentioned two senators. And during that time, Mr. President, Senator Tito Soto is already the Senate President. And then afterwards, a lot of congresspersons would say that he is safer in the House of Representatives. And then the lawyers of this fellow would mention na ngayon, all of a sudden, safe na siya dito sa Senado. It puts a bad taste in the mouth, Mr. President, na para po bang may mangyayari sa kanya pag nandito siya sa Senado. And that's why, again, when Senator Jinggoy made that motion, we all supported him. And not just the members of the minority, but the entire members of the Senate. And so, Mr. President, even if the majority right now, including some members of the minority, would support the idea of bringing him here in the Senate premises, Senate custody, I will have no objection, Mr. President. But as a former majority leader, I tried to look at the rules, Mr. President. I have not seen a single line in the Senate rules that says the plenary action ay po pwede pong masupersede ng anumang suggestion ng committee o ng mga abogado po natin sa Senado. But again, Mr. President, let me put on record, I will submit with the wisdom of the majority. If that is the desire of the majority, na ibalik po siya dito, yes, I have no problems with that, Mr. President. It's just that I appeal to my colleagues here. Dear colleagues, kung kayo ho dito ang isa sa mga pinangalanan, kahit wala hong ebidensya, kung kayo po dito ang gunawan ng, sabi nga ni Senator Cayetano, hindi screenshot picture ng isang telepono. Kayo ho yung gawa ng ganun. Kayo ho yung gawa na sabihin, idinala sa bahay nyo yung pera. Doon po sa simbahan ng JIL Church. Mr. President, hindi ko ho alam kung anong mararamdaman nyo kung nasa sapatos ko po kayo. Kahit ho si Satanas, hindi papayag dun sa script niya. Tatanggap ka ng suhol sa simbahan. Tapos, kung ano yung sabihin niya, yun ang masusunod. Doon ako sa PNP custodial. Doon ako sa Senado ngayon. Nagbago na isip ko and then susunod doon tayo. Mahirap po lunukin yun, Mr. President. Dear colleagues, sana hindi nyo maranasan itong ginawa sa amin. Lahat ng katotohanan pumupunta sa atin. Yung sinasabing CA member ako, 2023 of October, 2024 po ako naging CA. Ang dami nyo rito, kalahati po dito CA nun. 2023, sabi, kino-confirm si Secretary Bonoan. 2022, confirmed si Secretary Bonoan. Paulit-ulit po ako dito, wala akong flood control, walang maiturong flood control. And yet, ito, paniniwalaan. Nasa news, nasa lahat po. Dito sa atin, binanggit yung mga kongresista, pero wala, parang falling to deaf ears, Mr. President. Again, Mr. President, hindi ko kailangan na may sumuporta sa akin dito sa Senado. Kahit isa po dito sa Senado, I appreciate yung mga naniniwala. Kung hindi kayo naniniwala, it's not my problem. Ang alam ko lang, Mr. President, mahirap na ikaw paparatangan tapos sa mismong sarili mong bahay, hindi ka maproteksyonan. Sa mismong sarili mong bahay, pinagdududahan ka o hindi ka man lang mapakinggan, Mr. President. At parang ang nagiging dating ngayon, kung ano ang gusto ni Bryce, nitong Assistant District Engineer, siya po yung masusunod. So yun lang Mr. President. Akin po, kung ibabalik po siya dito, let the plenary decide and let's continue to abide by our rules. Marami pong salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.
Senator Jingo Estrada, Mr. President, would like to be recognized.
Senator Jingo Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, this morning I received a report that Mr. Bryce Hernandez was transferred here from the Pasay City Jail, and it came to as a big surprise to this representation, since we approved that Bryce Hernandez be committed to the Pasay City Jail. We approved it in plenary. Mr. President, last Tuesday, when he appeared before the TRICOM at the House Committee, at the House of Representatives, the opening statement, if my memory serves me right, of Mr. Bryce Hernandez is that, pwede ba dito na lang ako makulong? Ayoko pong bumalik sa Senado dahil merong mga senador na involved dito sa flood control. And much to my surprise, he mentioned this representation together with Senator Joel Villanueva. After his testimony, full of lies, according to the Senate President, he talked with the Speaker of the House, and they reached an agreement that he be committed at the PNP Custodial Center. But when I discovered that when he was at the PNP Custodial Center, not one OSA member was guarding him there. Ni isa sa mga OSA na dapat meron tayong physical custody of that person. Wala na pakialam ang pulis dyan eh. Tayo na ang may physical custody. Pero nasaan? Nasaan na nagagwardya sa kanya doon? Eh kung biglang tumakas yun, biglang pinatakas ang pulis yun, paano na? So after that, nagdesisyon po tayo here, plenary, that we commit him at the Pasay City Jail. And everybody approved of it. When I made my motion, sinigundahan ni Majority Leader Senator Mig Zubiri, and no one objected. At ang sabi dito, I got hold of this letter from the lawyer of Mr. Bryce Hernandez. Third to the last paragraph. We appeal for this because today there is renewed faith. Ito, September 15, today. Under your leadership, Senate President Soto, and with Chairman Lacson's stewardship of the Blue Ribbon Committee, there is assurance that the Senate will stand not only as a body of discipline, but as an exemplar of fairness. Mr. President, noong Tuesday, sabi ni Bryce Hernandez, ayaw niya rito. Kayo na po ang Senate President noon. Bakit ngayon sasabihin itong abogado niya, there is renewed faith? Bakit nung sinabi ni Bryce Hernandez, Senate President po kayo, wala ba siyang faith sa inyo noon nung nagsalita siya? Noong Tuesday, na ayaw niya bumalik dito sa Senado? Bakit ngayon niya lang sasabihin na meron siyang renewed faith? Bakit lagi natin sinusunod ko ano gustong kapritsyo ni Bryce Hernandez? Gusto niya malipat sa ano? Ayaw niya rito, nilipat niyo sa custodial. Nung nilipat natin sa Pasay, gusto niya naman ngayon malipat dito. Ano ba talaga? Why are we giving so much importance or credence to this person who is a liar, who is the number one suspect of this corruption, what is happening in our country today? Bakit? Bakit? Meron ba nagproprotection sa House of Representatives? Bakit nung nag-hearing ang Blue Ribbon Committee po, nung si Congressman Marcoleta pang chairman ng Blue Ribbon, nagbanggit si Diskaya, ilang congressman ang involved sa corruption. Pagdating nung kinabukasan, hindi na front page, hindi masyadong pinag-usapan. Nung si Bryce Hernandez na, nagbanggit ng 2 senador, front page na kagad kami. Kahit hindi totoo yung sinasabi niya, na walang basihan. 30% commission daw. Ang putang ina. I'm sorry. Strike out from the record. I'm sorry.
The phrase is stricken off the record.
How can I demand 30%? What is his basis, Mr. President? Pagkatapos niyan, wala na, kumalat na. Front page na sa lahat ng mga newspaper of general circulation. Lahat na. Masama na kami ni Joel Villanueva. Sa social media, everything, lahat. I've been there. Kaya pinag-iingatan ko pangalan ko. Why should I do such a thing, Mr. President? Why? I will never do such thing, Mr. President. Porkit ba I'm actively participating in the Blue Ribbon Committee? Porkit ba matapang ako magtanong? Ako na kaagad ang target nila? Bakit? I'm just doing my job as your senator. I have an oath to defend. I want to get all the bad crooks here in the government. That is my duty as your senator, Mr. President. Mr. President, sobra-sobra na. Lahat po, kami apektado na. Even the Senate, as an institution, is also affected by the testimony of one habitual liar. Bakit paniniwalaan natin siya? Bakit yung mga, yung sinigaw ng mga congressman? Bakit? Bakit hindi natin imbestigahan? Bakit yung mga senador hindi imbestigahan? Ako, I'm open to any investigation. In fact, Mr. President, ngayon pa lang, kahit hindi pa nagko-comment sa Blue Ribbon Committee ni Senator Lacson, ngayon pa lang, I'm willing to sign any waiver to open my bank accounts. And that, I'll put that on record. I don't know with Senator Joel, maybe he will also conform with my idea. So, Mr. President, wag naman ganun. Bakit panay senador lang ang gusto nilang ipako sa krus? Bakit yung mga ibang mga politiko? Dahil, porket sikat kami? Hindi naman yata tama yun. Pare-pareho lang tayo nasa gobyerno. Pare-pareho lang tayo naninilbihan dito. Yun lang po, Ginoong Pangulo. Maraming salamat po.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we thank our distinguished gentlemen for their manifestations. And during the break, I believe we have reached a consensus. Mukhang hindi naman po siguro tayo mag-away na yun. No need for a vote with the Minority Leader and the group. I believe that better coordination na lang po. And we agreed to coordinate better with the Minority Floor Leader in these certain issues. Mr. President, you agreed. The Senate President agreed. So with that, yes, Mr. President, may recognize the Minority Floor Leader.
Minority Leader.
Yeah, Mr. President, and may also manifest. And extraordinary lang po na pinagbutuan natin yan sa plenary. So I just want to express that we want to support our chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, Senator Lacson. So after this, it will be the committee and the chairman in coordination with the Senate President. Diba? Hindi man kailangan parating pagbutuan dito. May mga extraordinary circumstance lang na nangyari. So we want to normalize not only the consultation, but the following of our rules. And we look forward to working with Senator Lacson and, of course, the Senate.
Itbulaga pa rin ba? Kailan ba palitan yan? Sabagay, mukhang hindi magtatagal yan. Ayon po dito kay Just City Charm, Soto, ginawa mo ng Itbulaga ang Senate. Ayon yan sa nakikita nila. Sabi ni RG Montera, wala na wenta ang leader ng Senado. Ay baka naman may wenta yan. Viral nga, di ba? Daming nakaabang sa pinagyayaw-yaw niya. Pero iba talaga pag ang Senate President ay abogado. Maraming alam sa batas at hindi mautos-utusan lang kung sino. Sabi ni Buhay Pilipino, hiyang-hiya ka na, Soto, hindi ka bagay sa SP. Nako. Naging SP naman yan dati. Bakit ngayon parang iba na yung datingan niya? Pag yung may duda kasi, ang karamihan na baka utos-utusan lang ito ni Tamba, ay ganun talaga ang mangyayari. Bakit pa patatagalin na siya yung SP dyan? Sabi ni Wilson, ang Senado ay Itbulaga. Tingnan yung mga nagko-comment. Mapapansin po natin kahit sa kaninong page at sa mga binabalita, pag tungkol sa Senado, merong nagsasabing Itbulaga. Pinagtatawanan yung nangyayari sa Senado at mukhang hindi na nagkakasundo-sundo yung mga senador dyan. Paano magtiwala ang taong bayan sa Senado kung yung namumuno ay pinagtatawanan na at wala nang tiwala sa kanya? Anong gagawin nyo dyan? Sa mga bumoto kasi, dyan kay Soto, pinag-iisipan nyo ba talaga to? Na siya yung magiging Senate President? Kung sa tingin nyo ay mali yung nagawa nyo, ituwid nyo. Ganito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.